Okay, so we got a new vinyl shipment in today. Actually, two packages of vinyls. As you can see, this is a bigger one. It feels like there's two of them. And for those who haven't seen my previous video, the Sound of Vinyl, the record distributor, they had this big sale where they gave away free vinyls for the price of shipping. But anyways, this one is more lightweight. I'm gonna start opening it, I guess. I'm not sure why, but it's not ripping over here. These two came from Kentucky. So as you can see in my previous video, I already had 9 or 10 vinyls. So I'm not sure why I can't rip it over here. Let's try it this way. Okay, all right. So I ordered 30 vinyls, by the way. This one is a Johnny Cash vinyl. Johnny Cash. All right. Next one. This one feels like it's two. It's really heavy. But let's open it. Well, that's weird. Their box is. I can't find a good place to open it. Here, maybe on this side. But anyways, for those who haven't seen in the previous video, for those who don't know about it, the Sound of Vinyl, they had this big promotion where you could get vinyls for free, but you had to pay for the cost of shipping. And now there's a little bit of confusion in regards to getting two vinyls in one package. Well, I'm having a hard time getting around this here. Yeah, they packaged it better, it looks like. They did a better job at packaging these than the previous ones that arrived. But anyways, there was some kind of cart issue where you could add two and not one and pay $8 for two vinyls. But the cost of shipping is always $4 if you're going to put them in the same box anyway. It's just some people weren't sure if they could get two or just one vinyl. Well, yeah, for whatever reason, it was difficult to open that one. This one was packaged better. Okay, now what did I get here? So, I got the Stones, Rolling Stones, Goat Head Soup. Interesting. Well, I'm not even sure which version this is, because there's one with a 7-inch and there's a clear one. So that's interesting. And we got Pearl Jam, Gigatron. So that's it. I thought I was gonna get more stuff. But instead, I got these 3 vinyls. Anyways, that gives us a total of 11 or 12 vinyls. Let me just count real quick, just to do a quick overview. So there's the ones we got today. Pearl Jam, Goat Head Soup, is number 2. Johnny Cash is number 3. PJ Harvey is number 4. We'll just set these aside here so we can finish our count. Paul McCartney is number 5. Almost Famous is number 6. And Another Goat Head Soup is number 7. So that was the other version of that vinyl. So that's 7 that we have so far. Eels is number 8. Gigatron is number 9. Beastie Boys is number 10. U2 is number 11. Chris Cornell is number 12. And Nirvana Unplugged is lucky number 13. So I don't remember exactly. I think I got like 20 something vinyls, but we have 13 of them. So I believe we have half of the vinyls. We received half of them. There should be more tomorrow, but that was quite a deal right there. The only thing is, as I said earlier, people are waiting for their shipments. So hopefully I'll get the other one soon. Anyways, I also ordered some other more expensive vinyls from them, but those have not arrived yet. But I really like vinyls, and I have a bigger vinyl collection now. For those who are shopping for discount vinyls, the Sound of Vinyl has a lot of different coupons, and they have referral codes, so they are recommended. Of the 13 vinyls I have, only one of them arrived damaged, the one that we saw yesterday, and there's more vinyls on the way, and I plan on making another video tomorrow if we have any new vinyls that arrive. But don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe.